What if I told you that a 22-year-old investing just $5 a day will retire with more money than a doctor who starts at 40? No inheritance, no lucky breaks. Just one simple rule that Wall Street doesn't want you to know. Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, your entire relationship with money is about to change forever.
Welcome to Black Bull Finance, the channel where ordinary people learn extraordinary money habits. If you're new here, subscribe right now. We drop money tips every single week that your bank will never tell you. Let's get into it. Point. The first thing you need to understand is the power of compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. And he was right. Here's the math that will blow your mind. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 22, at a 10% average return, by age 60 you will have $1.2 million. Wait until 35 to start. You'll end up with just $450,000. Same money, same effort, but a $750,000 difference just because of time. This is why starting today, not tomorrow, not next month. Today matters more than anything else.
Point 2. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They think investing is only for rich people, for people with thousands of dollars sitting around. That is completely false. You can start investing with as little as $1 today. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Fidelity let you buy fractional shares. That means you can own a piece of Apple, Amazon, or Tesla right now. With whatever you have in your pocket, the barrier to entry is gone. The only thing stopping you is you.
Point 3. Here's the third thing nobody tells you about building wealth in your 20s. Your biggest expense is not your rent. It's not your car payment. It's your ignorance about money. The average American spends $18,000 a year on things they don't need. That's $18,000 that could be working for you in the stock market, growing, compounding, building your future. Every dollar you waste today is not just $1 lost. It's $10 lost in the future. Think about that. Point 4. Now let me give you the exact formula that financially free people use. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, eating out, fun, and 20%, no matter what, goes straight to savings and investments. Non-negotiable, automatic, every single month. If you follow just this one rule, you will be ahead of 80% of Americans within five years. Guaranteed. Point 5, and the final secret, the one that separates the wealthy from everyone else. They never stop learning about money. While most people are scrolling social media, wealthy people are reading, studying, and educating themselves every single day. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. You don't need to read 500 pages. But you need to start somewhere, and you already did by watching this video today. So let me ask you this. Which of these money rules are you going to apply starting today? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button. It helps more people find this channel. Subscribe to Black Bull Finance for weekly money tips that will change your financial future. I'll see you in the next one. Stay bullish.